Hi everyone, my name is However Mel. I am your Trio peer coach, and today I will show you how to schedule an appointment through LoboConnect. First, we're gonna log into our student portal. So you just go in here. Oh, I have mine saved right there. Just go in here, you log in, you need to find the tile. So the tile you have to find is LoboConnect. So just click on the one right here, and we are in. Once you are in the LoboConnect homepage, you can just go here to schedule an appointment. So you can schedule various appointments from different program and resources that you are part of in SSU. But today we'll be, sticking to how to schedule an appointment through Trio. So right here we have, Trio support services. Click on what kind of service you need help with, so we can assist folks with, career preparation, graduate school tutoring, math. We also help folks with the writing tutor. You want help with a writing tutor, you can just click on here. And if you need help with anything that does not fit into any one of these kind of categories, you can just go into, personal check-in. You click on what date you want. So you want it to be, I don't know, tomorrow maybe. And you look on find available time. So we'll be seeing if anyone is available at that time. Yes, and we have 2 people right now. So since I want it tomorrow, let's see, 1 to 1:30 time slot. And what type of appointment I want it? Yes, I do want it in remote. Sometimes you have an option and you want it to be in person. Just letting y'all know that. Or any kind of comment you want to leave for the specialist today. I could put like, I don't know, I need help with my time management skills. Maybe, and I can just put schedule an appointment. Once I click here, it would verify, send an email to Eric, the specialist Eric, as well as sending one to me. You can also send a text reminder. Just remember, if it does not have your cell phone number, just to add that on there if you can. And once you kind of click on that, you pretty much good to go on there. And I think that's it. See you next time. Bye.